Hi, what we have here is a 1969 Plymouth Fury 3. We bought it at a estate sale. It had a dent in the fender and the bezel was bent. I didn't take a video of that, but I could probably add a picture in of what it looked like with the other old fender on it. We changed that. Paint's not too terribly well. Yeah, it's got nice patinas, like people want to say. Kind of buffed it out a little bit. It was dull, but now you can see a reflection in it. It's starting to look pretty good. Has a 318 in it. It's a 904 tranny. It has 70,850 or 845 miles. They didn't have keys to it, so the new tumbler we got, the neck's not long enough to go back through here properly, so we'll have to get a different one. But that was just to get it, so we can fire it up, get it running, and bring it home. Seats have some tears in it. Headliner looks really nice for its age. The top, it's got some cracks and stuff, but not too terribly bad, except for where you get to right here. And then got a little hole, which we're gonna pull the top off, fix that, and go through and everything in there. We'll make another video on that. Like, that's the first time that I guess I'm really doing this for YouTube, so I can use any pointers. I'm not a video guy. I'm using a phone instead of any of that high-tech stuff. But I've been watching some, and it's been pretty cool. And and like I said, I don't see many videos on old Chryslers and stuff like that. And the ones I do see, they're nice restorations. Sometimes I like just to see them kind of just drug out of the field, the barn, whatever, put it back together, take it home, just drive it.
Yeah, plenty of video opportunity with her.
Yeah, I found this 70 Roadrunner. Like I said, that's for another day because we have some work to do for it. And we have a 73 Charger and a 72 Satellite back there. Like I said, so we'll have enough for some video content, but we got to start somewhere, right? That's my workbench. And then I went to look for a floor shifter for the 73 Charger. End up finding this, so I bought it. And same thing, paint's dull. Try to buff it out a little bit, but still, it's a good looking car. 1974 Corvette. It's pretty good shape. And then we got another one over there that we picked up out of Illinois, and it's really nice. I put it up for sale, but people are crazy, so I need to fix the brakes right now. We're having trouble finding calipers, and we need to get her back running, so we'll make a video on that one, on doing some things to it. But right now, just kind of show you what we have sitting around here. Oh, then we got the old station wagon. It's been a good car. But I guess that's about all I have for now. And then we'll record some more stuff, and then we'll get it uploaded up there. Bye.